In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Outlook Classic on Windows 11. If you want the traditional desktop version of Outlook instead of the newer app experience, this process is pretty straightforward. I will walk you through the main ways to get it installed. And I'll also show you what to do if the new Outlook is already on your computer and you want to switch back to the classic version. To begin, if you have a paid Microsoft 365 subscription, go to the Office portal in your web browser and sign in with your subscription account. Once you are signed in, look for the Install Apps option. This is usually easy to find from the main account page. When you click it, Microsoft will give you the option to download the Office setup files, which include Outlook Classic as part of the Desktop Apps package. Another option is to use the Microsoft Support Classic Outlook installer. If you choose that method, select your preferred language carefully, so the installation matches the language you want to use in Outlook and the rest of the Office apps. After that, select Download next to your language choice and then run the setup file once it finishes downloading. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, go ahead and allow it so the installer can continue. From there, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. In most cases, Microsoft handles almost everything automatically. So you may just need to wait while the installer downloads and installs the necessary files, depending on your internet speed and system performance. This may take a few minutes. It's a good idea to keep your computer connected to the internet and avoid closing the installer until everything is finished. Once the installation is complete, you should be able to open Outlook Classic from the Start menu like any other installed app. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft 365 account, so Outlook can activate properly and connect to your mailbox. Now, if the new Outlook is already installed on your system and Outlook Classic is also available alongside it, here is an even quicker option. Open Outlook and look for the Try the New Outlook toggle inside the app. If that switch is turned on, turn it off. This will switch you back to the classic Outlook experience without needing to reinstall anything, as long as the classic version is already present on your device. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.